Okay, so we're going to change the SF intake filter on a Cobb intake, cold air intake. This is a 2012 Forester XT. We have cold air intake on here. Got an IAG air oil separator that we've had for quite a while. It's been unnoticeable really, but this has been on for about 7,000 kilometers, maybe less, maybe 5,000. But we're going to take this off, see what it looks like, change it. And I have a new air filter, and I've also bought the cleaning solution. This is what you use to spray onto your air filter, the old one, and then you let it dry with water. After you spray it on, rinse it off, and then you use the reconditioner on the filter so that you can put it back in. But if you don't want to wait for the whole drying thing, you get a second air filter, you get the cleaning kit. I got this from Tugay Tuning. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce it, but it's out of Toronto. They've been fantastic, sending lots of different parts for this thing. Things like we've got a Killer Bee oil pan lattice that keeps the oil from sloshing around. I think there's a different word for that, but at any rate, I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna start taking the filter cover off, take it off, and then I'll show you how you get the air filter off. Bolt. Oh my goodness, how easy was that? So that's super easy. You don't even have to take off your mat. You just undo that, it comes off, and look how dirty that is. Super filthy dirty. Let's just compare, make sure it looks the same. Looks like the same. You can see the difference in cleanliness. Both say Cobb. So we'll put this one on. Going back in the new filter. Slid it on nice. Got the band. Just hold it in place and tighten. Tight is tight, don't want to do over tight, just checks nice and firm this way. So that's on, that was it, super simple. So now we've got this old filter, we're going to clean this and it'll be ready for the next time I need to change a filter. I'm going to reuse this. These are reusable.